square feet home. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Let's come in and take a look. And we are in Peoria, Arizona. So when we're coming into the front door, you'll come into the utility room. So we're gonna start into the utility room. Remember, the front door is right there. It comes straight into the utility room. And then as you come over, you come into the dining room. This is a really bright house, very beautiful house. You come into the double French door, so there is double French door here, and they set this up as just like an office / lounge. Notice the ceiling, the high ceiling, beautiful, very bright. The color is white, natural light. It's like a picture frame from the mountain, so you see the mountain, natural light, big open space. So you wrap around, you have this big, large sliding glass, nice window. Again, you have this like a little breakfast nook because we have a dining room over there. This is like a flex space for, you know, any project or just your second office. Beautiful. The floor is all big tile. Nice quartz, big islands, nice farm sink, again gas stove, long bar, double oven, and your little setup here for like coffee or whatever, and of course your pantry. All right, guys, so the downstairs have 1 bedroom. So this is like maybe a babysitter or a housekeeper or a guest bedroom. Does it have its own bathroom? So this is perfect for a guest bedroom or a housekeeper. Guys, the view from up here is amazing. So just if you get up in the morning and just hang out here and just look at the view, it's like picture perfect. Come on, wow, look at that view. Recording looking at the view like this. Upstairs lounge. Again, perfect for the kids to hang out. Perfect for the family to just hang out, watch TV up here. So we're coming into your bedroom number 1 from upstairs. Remember, we have 1 bedroom downstairs with a bathroom. So this is the bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And the shared bathroom. All right, so this is the master bedroom. So this here. All right, so this is the master bedroom upstairs. Come on in.